Welcome to the advanced guide to Revolut stock trading. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows users to trade stocks, commodities, and currencies with ease. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of trading stocks on Revolut, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account and some funds to invest. Once you have logged into your account, navigate to the trading section and select the stock market you want to trade in. Revolut offers a wide range of stocks from major exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange and the London Stock Exchange. Before you start trading, it is essential to understand the different types of orders you can place. The most common types of orders are market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell a stock at the current market price. A limit order is an order to buy or sell a stock at a specific price. And a stop-loss order is an order to sell a stock when it falls below a certain price. To place an order, select the stock you want to trade, choose the type of order, and enter the amount you want to invest. You can also set a stop loss and take profit level to limit your potential losses and lock in your profits. One of the key features of Revolut is its commission-free trading, which means you do not have to pay any fees to buy or sell stocks. However, there may be other fees such as currency conversion fees and overnight fees. So it is essential to check the fees before you start trading. Another important concept to understand is diversification. Diversification is the process of spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Revolut allows you to trade a wide range of assets, including stocks, commodities, and currencies, making it easy to diversify your portfolio. To diversify your portfolio, you can invest in different stocks from various sectors, such as technology, healthcare, and finance. You can also invest in index funds or exchange-traded funds, which track the performance of a particular market index. In addition to diversification, it is essential to have a trading strategy. A trading strategy is a plan that outlines your investment goals, risk tolerance, and trading rules. There are many different trading strategies, including day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. To develop a trading strategy, you need to define your investment goals, assess your risk tolerance, and set clear trading rules. You can also use technical analysis and fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions. Technical analysis involves studying charts and patterns to predict future price movements, while fundamental analysis involves studying a company's financial statements and industry trends to determine its potential for growth. Finally, it is essential to stay up to date with market news and trends. Revolut provides real-time market data and news, making it easy to stay informed. You can also set up price alerts and news notifications to stay ahead of the market. In conclusion, trading stocks on Revolut is a straightforward process that requires some knowledge and planning. By understanding the different types of orders, diversification, trading strategies, and technical and fundamental analysis, you can make informed trading decisions and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always do your research, set clear trading rules, and stay up to date with market news and trends to maximize your returns and minimize your risks.